Hello guys, welcome back to another video for Tire Base. In this video we're going to see what's the procedure to make a refund for an invoice, and we're going to see how it affects basically the closed daily sale for your sales. But yeah, let's jump right into it. So if we go to the orders module, we're going to go here to work orders, and we're going to create a new order. So there are two kinds of refunds here. So if you have a COD customer, which is a cash on delivery customer, you can do a refund directly. And if you're using a terms customer, the refund procedure would be directly through a credit memo. And we're going to do both just to show you how it would look like. So if I go in here and I select a customer, we're going to go with this customer here. And we're going to add a product so we can have amount pending here. So as you can see, the balance is this one, so we're gonna go straight up and just close this order. We're gonna go to payments, and in this case we're gonna start with the COD customer, the cash on delivery customer, and we're gonna add this cash amount here to the order. So as you can see, the cash amount is already added, the balance is 0. We can save and close, finalize this order, and the system is gonna close this order as an invoice. Okay. So for Judge Bayman, basically we already did this order and it should be displaying as such. But if the customer comes back and they want to make that that refund in here, so what we need to do is we're gonna go to the action section and we're gonna click the refund button here. Just as a reminder, remember this is only for COD customers, cash on delivery. Okay, so if you click on refund here, the system is going to prompt you with all this information. From here, you can select what you want to delete from the refund option. So if they want to just make a refund for the tires, but all the labors are going to be in this case not considering the refund, we can just in this case delete the tires and just keep the labor, so we can just make a refund for all the labor in this case. But if you want to make a refund for the whole thing, you can just click finalize here, yes, proceed, and the system is going to prompt you with the process refund in this case button. So if we click here, the system is going to let us know this is the refund is going to be for this amount. Are you sure about this? This action cannot be done. Yes, refund. The system is going to bring the remaining two refunds to 0. We can finalize and close, and the system is already going to do a refund. So if we look into this in the close daily sale option and we see the details of it, the system says, okay, we received 228.26. This is what we received for this customer, but in the paid out section, there's the amount, as you can see. So whenever you do a reconciliation of your amounts, in this case it was cash, 228.26, this is what we received. The paid out is 277.27, and also here's the balance in this case. So you can just put your current, and the system is going to take the variance in this case directly. Okay, so that's for COD customers. This is for cash on delivery. If we do a terms customer, this is going to be a little bit different. Okay, so we're going to go to the new order section again, and we're going to select in this case a customer that has terms. So this is a customer with terms. They have a credit limit within the POS system here. And if we add another order, okay, we're going to add this tires here. This procedure is a little bit more complicated, but it also keeps the consistency whenever you're trying to make that kind of refund. So for this example, we're just going to keep it simple. We're just going to delete all these services, and we're just going to keep our item. All right. So we're going to have 12380. This is going to be the amount. I'm going to copy this manufacturer product number for future reference. But as of now, we can just send it to terms. So we're going to go ahead and click finalize. Yes, finalize, and the system is going to send that amount to the customer's pending balance. So if I go in here into the his earnest customer, the system is going to display this the amount we just did. So it's 123.80. This is the pending balance. And also here's the status, so it's pending. We need to pay that for that so the customer can finalize this amount in this case. But basically, if we have this and the customer says, all right, I want a refund, complete refund for those tires, what you have to do is you have to copy, in this case, the manufacturer product number, okay, and you're going to go back to the order section. So from here, we're going to go to the credit memo section, and we're going to click new credit memo. We're going to type in the customer's name in this case. So we're going to go, okay, this is the guy. And also, whenever you type in a customer and it doesn't appear there, is because they don't have terms. So just make sure to type in only terms customers. So we're going to type in here the product that we offered to this customer, which is going to be this one. And we're also going to delete these so we can have that set up. So in this case, it's 123.80, and if we go back to the customer section, okay, 123.80. So the balance must match in this case. If it doesn't, you can just change the total or take off taxes. Just make sure to make the amount that you're going to create on the credit memo the same for the order that you have that you want to refund. In this case, we can go ahead and finalize the credit memo. And the system is going to generate a credit memo in here, and it's going to use an invoice number, the consecutive one, in case you're using for orders. It's going to share the same consecutive number, so invoices from the order section and credit memos. But in this case, if we go back to the customer and we refresh the page so the changes can be identified, we're going to have our 123.80 invoice, and we're going to have also the credit memo for 123.80. So if we go to the Pay Now section, the system is going to allow us to select the credit memos that we did. So in this case, if I go here and I just select from the current day, so here are the invoice that we did, and here's the credit memo, as you can see. So what I have to do is just click the credit memo section and then the invoice, and the system should pay with that credit the invoice. So if I click save, the system is going to prompt with this payment summary. You can just click yes and proceed, and the system should apply that credit to that invoice directly. So as you can see here, if we refresh the page, we're going to see our here's the credit memo and the invoice. And also, if we go to the close daily sale option, the system is not going to consider anymore those amounts, as you can see. So these are the amounts we had before we did the COD refund. This is the information from that. But as you can see, we already made the refund, and the items would come back to us, and the actual credit would work to make that payment for that order specifically. But yeah, this is the procedure and how refunds work for COD customers and terms customers. Let me know if you have any questions regarding this procedure, and have a good day.